let's have a quick recap on the past 25 glorious years of ACE in India.
Is showing you the journey of ACE, the past glorious 25 years.
A new journey starts. A humble beginning with little money and only self-belief to bank upon. With a team of 4 people and a temporary structure on stilts. The first crane was built. Unstinted hard work, perseverance and innovation over the years led to the evolution of multiple models and types of cranes, construction equipment and agriculture machinery. Year 2004. ACE established market supremacy in the crane segment. And for over a decade, ACE has dominated the crane market in India with a range consisting of pick and carry cranes, mobile tower cranes, next-gen cranes, forklift trucks, lorry loader cranes, truck cranes, crawler cranes, piling rigs, tower cranes, backhoe loaders, vibratory rollers, motor graders, tractors and harvesters. The temporary structure of 1995 transformed into 8 integrated ultra-modern manufacturing facilities and an industrial park spread over 100 acres. The policy of responding with speed and expertise has been rewarded over the years, and today ACE is established as India's #1 crane brand, with a consolidated presence in all major infrastructure, construction, heavy engineering and industrial projects across the country. A 4,500 strong, dedicated workforce operating out of 100+ locations throughout the country and abroad fortify our abilities, and ACE has also made its mark in over 25 countries across the globe. Today, as we celebrate 25 years of success with our customers, suppliers, associates, employees, friends and family, we see ourselves as an emerged, empowered and energized team, well equipped to catapult our growth and take the big step forward.
My God, when you look back, it just feels like it was yesterday.